baunya sama sekali. Let's try to cut. Oh, it's spicy.
Привет, как дела? Надеюсь, у вас все отлично.
Nah, itu artinya halo semua, apa kabar? Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini kita mau coba pempek. Ini kiriman Bayu sebenarnya dari orang. Tapi kita berdua kata Mr. Cameraman ini enak banget. Jadi kita mau coba. We wanna try this, right?
Iya.
Jadi kita udah goreng, udah siapin bumbunya, and we're ready to eat, right?
Iya.
Oke. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini, jangan lupa subscribe, dan loncengnya juga ya.
Nabula's Adventure.
Nah, so we wanna try this. It's called pempek. Have you ever tried before?
No, I have never seen this.
So, me too, I've never tried. Sebenarnya aku juga belum pernah coba pempek ini, tapi katanya enak banget. Jadi saya mau coba juga hari ini. So we wanna try this. It's called pempek. Oh ya, dan buat yang belum kenal Julia, dia teman saya dari Rusia, dia model dan baru datang di Jakarta. Jadi saya mau kasih lihat dia dan tahu dan coba bagaimana merasa tinggal di Indonesia. Okay, so I just told them that I wanna show you a little bit of Indonesia and give you to taste a little bit. Deep diving in Indonesia. Okay. So, with what we try, which one you think we should go for first?
From both.
Is the middle?
Yeah.
Okay, jadi kata Julia mau mulai dari ini. Okay, let's see what is inside. I never tried to. Let's see. Texture-nya soft. It smells good actually.
Almost no smells actually.
Dia bilang kayak nggak ada itu baunya sama sekali. Let's try to cut it. What is this? I think it's like baso from chicken. Tapi ini ikannya. Tuh kameramennya nggak mau bilang apa-apa. The cameraman doesn't want to tell us anything. Ini sebenarnya kiriman Bayu. Tapi Bayu belum ada di rumah, jadi kita coba duluan. Oh, I think we should put it in this one.
The taste?
I think we should put it in this one, right? Yeah? I think we need to... Oh, it's spicy. Pedas guys, makanya aku udah siapin air putih. But it's tasty.
Yes, the taste is spicy, but
It's tasty, right?
yeah.
Aku suka ini. Bola-bola ini enak sekali.
Ini yang I like.
Top, Marco top.
You made a good choice. By starting with this, I hope the rest are good too. But it's spicy, it's very spicy the sauce.
Yeah, but without salt, it's actually tasteless.
Kata Julie kalau nggak dikasih bumbunya, nggak ada rasanya sama sekali. Tapi suka sih, kalau aku pedas, aku udah mulai makan pedas nih. But I think yours is so spicy because you took so much.
No,
No?
not really.
Enak. Enak guys. But I'm wondering, what do you think is this bowl made of? You don't know, right?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
I'm a chef, I need to know. I don't know. I'm clueless. Jadi, karena Mbak Tina Bule itu chef. Bercanda sih, enggak juga.
Maybe it's some kind of fish.
No. I don't think it's fish. I don't like fish usually.
And this?
I think this is ketchup manisi. It's like soy sauce, I guess.
But it's more sweet. And spicy.
Yeah, it's called kecap manis in Indonesia. I guess it's kecap manis. Let me see. I don't know. Yeah, and they put spice inside, I think.
And it's sweet a bit.
It's what?
Sweet.
Sweet, yeah, because it's from the soy sauce. The soy sauce usually, it's like in Indonesia they have two types of soy sauce, like the sweet one and the normal one. The one you usually eat in Chinese restaurants, right? Nah, jadi kita bingung nih, ini bola-bolanya dari apa ya bikinnya? Kalau ada yang tahu, minta kasih tahu ya. Dan ini bumbunya kayaknya dari kecap manis, terus dikasih cabai ya? Nggak tahu juga, bingung. Tapi ini bumbunya gampang, cuman aku clueless banget apa di dalam bola ini. Kayaknya bukan ikan. I don't think it's fish. Oke, lanjut yuk. What do you think we should go next with? I would take another bowl to be honest. This one. This one looks really weird ya. Ini aneh banget kelihatan. I'll just take another sticky. You got, sticky juga nih. Ini baunya nggak ada sama sekali guys. Doesn't have any kind of smell. Okay, so Julie, let's try it.
Also with sauce?
I think so. I think that's what. I think it's for all. It's good, yeah. Ini sticky banget sebenarnya. It's very sticky ya. I think it's made out of tapioca ya.
Yeah.
Tepung itu yang sticky banget gitu. Ini kayaknya nggak ada dagingnya sama sekali deh. Kayaknya cuma tepung. Aku lupa nama tepung itu, tapi tepung itu yang sticky-sticky, yang lengket-lengket. Tapi enak. Aku suka ini. Julie, you have anything similar to any of this in Russia?
No, that's why I can't even explain what it is, because we don't have nothing similar.
Was the taste even, ya?
Yeah, taste, smell, nothing. Even how it look like.
Jadi di Rusia nggak ada sama sekali kayak rasanya atau tipe makanan gini. Di Rumania juga nggak ada sih. Soalnya makanan Rumania dan makanan Rusia mirip banget. Romanian food and Russian food it's so similar ya.
Yeah.
Traditional food.
But actually it's good.
I like this one.
Yeah. It looks like it's not very beautiful,
Mhm.
but it's good.
Kata Julie kelihatan nggak terlalu cantik tapi enak. But this is very spicy.
You're
I think-
almost Indonesian.
Julie lebih kuat dari saya makan pedas tuh. Dari tadi ceplok-ceplok nggak apa-apa. Aku dikit aja. I think you're stronger than me to eating spicy. I like it. But my favorite is still this one. Yours? You like better this one than this one?
I like one this.
Really? Jadi tetap favorit saya ada bola ini. Julie lebih suka ini dari tepung. Aku
But now
lebih
I
suka
feel the spice on my lips.
on the lips ya. Jadi gua ada put your lips in water. Oke. Aku kalau lagi makan pernah Bayu jadi kesel sama saya. Soalnya aku makan pelan-pelan banget, nggak tahu kenapa. Dan juga kalau buru-buru cuman masukin banyak di mulut terus nggak bisa punya cepet-cepet. I was telling them that I cannot eat fast. I'm eating like so slow. I'm all the time the last one. 15 minutes later.
Couple months later.
2021.
I don't know why I was finishing.
I'm still chewing. Nah, akhirnya selesai juga kunyahnya. Itu tolong ya. And now we need to try this one. I'm a little bit scared to try this. aku takut dari awal makan ini juga. Soalnya kelihatan aneh banget ya, kayak nggak terlalu enak. Tapi wow, aku shock banget soalnya kelihatan begini tapi rasanya enak. I said I was so scared to try because they look like this, but they're actually good, you know?
Yeah, that's why we keep it for last.
Yes. Let's see, I take this one. Ah, nempel. Tuh, ada tisu juga kalau mau. I got tissue too. Yummy.
Will you
Okay.
cut it?
How can I put it? I will chew until tomorrow if I put all that in my mouth. Kata Julie harus potong.
It's got egg. Is it egg or no? Yes.
Oh, aku cinta banget sama telur itu. Aku suka banget sama telur.
Yeah.
Hey, it's egg ya? I don't know. It doesn't smell like egg actually.
But looks like.
Looks like egg.
Mhm.
Ini telur bukan? Telur! Yay! We got egg inside! Kameramennya diam dulu, diam mulu ah. Nggak mau bilang apa-apa. You like eggs or no usually?
Yeah, I like actually.
Aku punya favorit baru. Coba. Soalnya aku suka banget telur, makan hampir setiap hari telur. Enak banget. It's so good this one. This one is the best
Yeah.
for me.
For me too.
It was like 1, 2, and 3. Ini yang sticky banget. Yang parah itu aku nggak bisa kunyah. Bisa sih, bisa karena punya gigi ya, tapi pelan-pelan banget kunyahnya.
But I still didn't understand from what is it made. What is this?
This I think is tapioca. The skin you mean, ya? Karena habis digoreng langsung taruh di tisu biar nggak terlalu fat. I think the skin is tapioca. I finally figured it out, but what I don't know is what is inside of this one. I think it's some kind of chicken. Is it chicken in the first one? Aku masih bingung di dalam bola-bola ini apa isinya. Ini pasti tepung gitu yang sticky, yang lengket. Ini isinya telur yang the best. Aku sebenarnya mau dikasih coba Julie, tapi kata kameramen kita enak banget. Aku udah pernah lihat Bayu makan ini, tapi kayak takut coba gitu. Kata Bayu enak banget, tapi pas lihat kayak no thank you gitu. Tapi pas coba enak banget. It's very good. Okay, should we save some for Bayu or we just finish everything?
Let's save a bit. We need a lot, right?
No, he's skinny. Bayu anyway kurus ah. Ya udah kita habisin. Enggak kok bercanda. Nanti marah paketnya buat dia, kita yang makan duluan. Maybe he will be angry at us. He receive it and we eat it. It's okay. Okay. So, sekali lagi yang mau kenal atau mau lihat Julie lebih sering ya daripada di YouTube saya, ada Instagramnya. What's your Instagram, Julie?
Julie Moore.
Julie Moore, nanti kita taruh link ya, Julie Moore. Okay, so I think that's all our review today ya. Okay, kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan
Comment.
dan loncengnya juga ya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.